how big is this mall, you see? It starts from there, it comes all here. This is where you find the mall. Right now I'm at the biggest mall in Africa. This is Morocco Mall. This is one of the entrances. I'll be walking you through this Morocco Mall to show you how large is this mall. This is the largest mall in Africa. That's how far you go. It starts from there, you go all the way there. This is just one of the entrances. So we'll be using this entrance to show you and take you in this mall. They have an Accra in this mall. I want to show you some of the species you can find this Accra. I'll be going down a little bit so you can get a clear, crystal clear view of this place. I'm down now. I'm showing you this Accra. You have shark here. What's the name of this fish? Yeah, so big, large fish here. These are the tiny ones. So now I'm about to take you to most of these top brands in the world. I'll take you to most of the top brands in the world. Puma store. These are all original things. So these are the top brands you find here. We have Cidio, Sub Express, Adidas, Lee Cooper, Mawa. This is Adidas store. Adidas is my favorite brand. So most of my clothes you see on me are all Adidas. This is my favorite store. And there they see me. I'm in a US Polo store right now. I'm getting kind of tired walking now because I've been walking for more than 15 minutes in this mall. This is awesome. See this car view? How are you? Kira, labas.
Labas.
Huh?
YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber.
Where are you from?
I'm from Liberia.
I'm from?
Liberia.
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 Oui, c'est bientôt.
Si.
Merci. C'est bien. C'est bientôt.
C'est YouTuber?
YouTube, oui.
Video.
Oui, video.
Ordin.
Okay, merci. Shukran. This is a scar view I wanted the other to see. It's very hot here. Very, very hot out here. This is deep and deep. Mango. Gentlemen, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because I always bring you dope video showing you things to do in Morocco, places I take you to places in Morocco and show you things to do here in Morocco. So if you love this kind of video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. This is Converse. It's still for Converse. You find Tommy Hilfiger jeans, Givenchy. I mean, there are a lot of stores here, a lot of boutiques, lot of boutiques. I mean, anything you're looking for, you can find it here. Everything you are looking for, you'll find it here. How are you? There's a lot to do here. If you haven't visited the Morocco Mall, I recommend you to come and visit this Morocco Mall. You have entertainment. Look at these. Look at these. I know the price tag on these are very high. You can see the quality in this bag. This is a Dior store. And that's Balenciaga store. I will not be entering some of these stores because see this Louis Vuitton store. Nah, I love this design. This Louis Vuitton store. This is one of my favorite stores I found here in this Morocco Mall. It's too classic. Louis Vuitton always coming out with so many nice design. This Balenciaga. Let me see the price tag on this Balenciaga. What is this? Balenciaga is what Balenciaga doing? How will I pay the kind of money for sneaker that will make me look like homeless? Most of these stores will not allow camera in, so I'll not be carrying camera in the stores. You can get lost in this place easily if you don't ask questions. You can get lost here very easily. What store is this?
ديما راسي ديما وداد
ديما وداد
وينرز ديما وداد
ديما وداد
ديما راسي غريمبو
يوتيوبر
يوتيوبر taxi chamona
c'est mieux. Tu parles français? Vous parlez français?
français
Ok, français.
speak English very much
You speak English? I speak English.
no speak English is fun
You speak Espagnol a little bit?
Argentina moi et moi 100
104
لشبون شنو 1000 1000
100 000 والله
يوتيوب
Ok, on va parler un jour, je vais venir. Moi j'ai des voitures, j'ai des trucs.
sportif علاش
Ok.
مرحبا بك
مرحبا. شكرا.
دوزنا معاك صافي
Now I'm about to take it to the ladies section. This is the ladies section. So this is how I come to it. This is how I come to an end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.